As the coronavirus pandemic continues to spread across Latin America, the country with the highest death toll is Brazil. There, the number of dead stands at more than 7,000. In Sao Paulo, authorities have begun blocking main avenues in an effort to reduce contagion. Only an estimated half of the city's residents are obeying social isolation guidelines. Some say they have little choice.
It is going to help a lot, because the number of deaths are just getting higher and we need to do our best so this is all over soon. I think this is very important to be isolated. Just leave home those who really need to leave. I left because I have to work, but I avoid leaving the most I can.
Brazil isn't the only country bracing for the worst of the COVID-19 pandemic. In Peru's capital, Lima, healthcare workers have held street demonstrations over a lack of resources and protective equipment.
¿Qué es esto? Por favor, Dios mío.
Medical personnel also protested over the mismanagement of 20 bodies of coronavirus patients left unattended over the weekend in the hospital courtyard.
Video has come out of the hospital with bodies. 2 days ago it began to rain on all the bodies in the open air.
Fears over COVID-19 contagion have sparked unrest across many Latin American countries. In Honduras, hundreds took to the streets of the capital, Tegucigalpa, on Sunday to prevent the bodies of coronavirus victims from being transported for burial. Protesters blocked roads, fearing becoming infected by the bodies of the deceased.
We don't want them to send people to be buried in this cemetery because those people are infected and there are a lot of families here.
One of the strictest approaches to containment has been from El Salvador. Though some policies, like the forced long-term detention of people accused of violating stay-at-home orders, have raised an alarm over human rights abuse.
Tenemos 41 días confinados.
We have been confined for 41 days in this containment center. We only ask the government authorities to give us the results of the COVID-19 tests carried out in order to discharge us.
According to the Pan American Health Organization, Latin America is experiencing what Europe did 6 weeks ago, meaning the region is only now entering the peak of the coronavirus pandemic. Manuel Rapalo, Al Jazeera.